Wow. Good day. Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you I got from Vinted some skate wheels and grip tape. So now we're going to unbox those. There's the bag, the box. Let's go and see what we have inside. Go and sit somewhere where there's a bit of light. Maybe here. Okay. Let's get a bit closer. Don't think we need a knife. Get a bit closer. So basically, for those who don't know, I normally change my wheels every time I go to a place, like from place to place, since the terrain in Finland is pretty rough. I like to use crucible wheels, like softer wheels, to skate from place to place. When I get to a place and I want to skate, let's say ledges or do some tricks, then I normally change to my harder wheels. That can be a bit annoying, but obviously the wheels have bearings in each set, so it just doesn't take more than a few minutes to change. So now I've got some soft wheels. I also got grip tape, since scared a few boards. Supplies you the best. Black normal grip tape. That's quite a nice price. Grip tape is always needed. And then we got the wheels. Let's see. The wheels are inside the bag. So obviously these are wheels, these are going to be like for cruisable, like to go to place to place, because it's just more comfortable and faster to get from place to place, and it feels better. Maybe not for do tricks, but just for cruising from place to place, they're more comfortable. So here we have. Oh wow, these look good. Yeah, so these feel quite nice. So the Sweet Skateboards wheels, 56 millimeters and 78 hardness. So 78A are the ones that I normally use on my other board, which are the crooked wheels, and those are used normally to go from place to place to change them. And they're wearing out because I've been skating pretty much, and they're so soft. When you have these kind of softness wheels percentage, then basically they wear out quite often if you skate them a lot in these rough surfaces. So yeah, these look pretty nice. I'm gonna show you like this. And there's no pitch on the other side, so just one side. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. I'm gonna now change the bearings. So, and then I'm gonna go and test them. So See you in a bit. Just want to show you the difference, because these, the ones I'm changing, they used to be 56 and these are 56, so you can see the difference in size. Big difference. So what happens when you have super soft wheels, they wear out pretty fast if you skate them a lot. So look at the difference. Size, it used to be 56. So that's one of the reasons I'm changing them. It's time to change the wheels and put the bigger ones. Same softness, but just bigger size. Okay, looks like it's rained a bit, but we're gonna try the wheels at least. So here they are. Look much bigger, obviously, but let's see how it feels. Let's see. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Super soft. Smooth, as you can imagine. Very smooth. Wow. Let's try again. Softness. Wow. Okay, so those feel quite good. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.